President Mills had to give way to John Mahama. Anything can happen. So, Nana, be ever prepared, like your motto says.
Ebusanfo aha Ghana Sem TV GH mpaucho na comment, subscribe, na like and so na share ye content no maye da asibebre se ubeye saade na edi aboa ye yo ebusanfo mbekaya ebra last year His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on nominate ye mami oye Jenana Pokwajiman Jenana Pokwajiman no organize Thanksgiving bi na Thanksgiving ne mono na ahwen brothers na omu bi enti was Thanksgiving ne ase no na ahwen brothers no make a comment bi say Jenana Pokwajiman okay on getting who ready on preparing who na bibia betimi esi obetimi abaye president mbe kaya asem no very controversial in the news. A lot of people gave their meanings to it. Konfo bebreka say asem AYɛKa oka say Jenana Pokwajiman en getting ready na bibia betimi esi no ekire say he's trying to say said the way His Excellency the former president John Evasata Mills while in office, which gave the opportunity to John Mahama to become president. No, there could be the same scenario. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama might lose his life or might become incapacitated, which will grant access to Jenana Pokwajiman to now be promoted as president. And see, that was the meaning that was attached to the statement that was made by the Ahwoi brothers. And it's a sermon there. And now was social media landscape no super bekaya after the announcement of Jenana Pokwajiman as the running mate to John Mahama. Now people are trying to link it to what is happening now. Now we all know say per arrangements no sa very helicopter akwakonya sa accident no na anka SSA the Oman His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he was supposed to be on that flight because now or no na saw okoma a keynote speech no our program na say and to confirm bebreka say Ahwoi brothers ekai way back say bibia betimi esi ama Jenana Pokwajiman abeye president enya asem bia ye nam say nya asem kwa because Ahwoi brothers no omu very experienced politicians and they basically knew what they were talking about. And it's a few months later now anka flight bia say fire president mampeni ekofa ministers instead of a mampeni no and yes a program bia anka mampeni anka say na be ko na sa flight na akọ crash kire say e bia say anka mampeni John Mahama na was some flight ni man anka by now and then anti asem there which would have made Jenana Pokwajiman a president. Then it means we must carry out a comprehensive investigation. A very comprehensive investigation that goes beyond just what we are seeing and what we are hearing. So a spiritual now I call it spiritual consultation. A political now I call it political consultation. So a scientific now because people have already set the tone. Because people already set the tone. So nyanya means na and you say ye papa omani boama any mutala and the others omo life is important too. But when you connect the dots, you will realize Sasem was unleashed. Go for 3 months. Something is going on or something has gone on. We will keep monitoring and we'll keep you up to date.
Behaving like this in this country, and because I come for not just a slope to say so many I come for. You can't be with disassociate themselves. Discrimination to the highest level under NDC government. Go and check me, say a police one or my phone. Almost at home from someone. Go and check the tribe in there. I mean, what you are Because of power, go and check Fantifu. Check people from Central. Please, enough is enough here. What are you talking? And we all know Ghanaians. And then we also, and we all know Ghanaians. Now discriminating or be cockra. And now, me colleague be also Adamu. TV3. Akunta, you be so question say, Papa be akola be fat nenim ni fie ni ya. Why from MPP Kenagaposi and Kum California Befonti and Nama Papano and the Abia Pop or Yekum? We don't have it on TV3. And that grew MP. Sorry, I phone you. Yes, I phone you. No, question a bisa no. Not what the Akufo. Kenya or my echo, I let me and why are we using tribalism in this country? Meaning, I am a Danny sir. I contact all my workers. Real estate, about 80%. Don't yet voter regime for because they can do their job. Me don't call me POP guy or what about them? Which I say, I don't have a problem with Obia because we are all Ghanaians. But MPP for they should be proud. Say yes, every party has a stronghold. And you have nothing against NDC, say, also the stronghold air voter regime. I can also confidently say so. The stronghold, the Ashanti regime. There is nothing wrong with that. But we disassociate ourselves from what is the truth? Have you sat down with the man? But when the church can't to disassociate himself from South Africa. And go read. Is there? No one who the beer mommy. Read. Common sense. They don't have it. Now we are dear mayor this week at was because we are the guy food for Safumafu. That is not what was reported. I didn't think I caught the jam. If indeed, me see a Kukuma before, and I am Kumukafua. If you say, me about the law. They listened to the tape, they brought their own interpreters, translators, they said, there was nothing like that. And everything I said, oh, Sasana Moya dia, Sasana Moya dia. Nakoku, and you don't want more, near Franco for police, you have to charge him treason. Oh. Na se President Mahama tumi ko gina nothing region na o kase ono de oyesiomuni enti antu abama no a ani obi antumi gan ori oni onya tribal politics no ye but aye true oyesiomuni mi nua no look and na mo aso mu nua eko enti mo tuma no Obama Chicago he won overwhelmingly because he's from Chicago. What is wrong with that? It is a problem, no? But Argentina, a particular party there, on your cabinet, a tribal,